Hi everyone, again I'm come back with some interesting quotes. Today I'll discuss about the best Google analytic courses. Although courses are online, and if you want more information about the online courses, then subscribe our channel Course Avatar and click on the bell icon so always we get updated whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, let's get started. So our first course is a Google Analytic for the beginner course as it's provided by the Analytic Academy, and this course is handled and developed by the Google Analytic Academy. And this course is cover topics like introduction to the Google Analytic and Google Analytic interfaces, basic reports, campaigning and conversations tracking. And if you want to start the Google Analytic, this course is definitely for you. If you want just a beginner, just to wants to begin it starter, then you definitely go for this course. Is all about the analytic, Google Analytic, and advance their career also. Go and check out the link given. Next course is the ultimate Google Analytic course for the beginner, and here this course is available in the English language, and it's all one as a best seller course. And here topics like you learn about the Google Analytic and why it is important, and two different types of Google Analytic accounts one can have, and learn about the getting access to deal real demo accounts and data one can explore it. And this course, why you should take this course is one should learn this course because of the Google Analytic is booming, and 64% of the top retailers using the Google Analytic, so you must learn it. Go for this course. And here an award winning digital marketing and agencies owners will teach you this course and learn about everything. You can learn everything about the Google Analytic and grow your business at one place. And this course is for the digital marketers and business small business owners, or anyone who wants to learn about Google Analytics and improve your performance in your website. Then definitely go for this course. So our third course is ultimate Google Analytic course. Is with the 50 plus practical examples, and this course is a paid course, is available in English, and with the subtitles also available are there in the many other languages also. And anyone can willing to learn about the Google Analytic and who wants to apply it in a real life, they definitely go for this course. And this course where the topics are covered in this course, understand how to Google Analytic works or the data, and find the business values in the Google Analytic, and difference between the Google Analytic and Universal Analytics, and ability to make the right data decisions, and the practices among the 100 quizzes, and learn with the 50 plus examples also. And here you should learn about the course. This course is involves in the understanding GA4, and this course is also covers universal analytic, and based on your need, and you decide which one choose as a primary, or this course is help in driving the business, every business type. And anyone can learn this course about the Google Analytics and wants to use their data to drive the business and build the data driving ability can definitely learn it. And those people, and the course also designed for all the skill levels, and from the beginning to the pro marketing manager level, it's all the stages are there, and all the practicals also there. You can learn with the practical. Go and check. Our next course is a Google Digital Marketing e-commerce professional course, is with the professional certificate, and this course is developed by the Google Career with the certificates, and available in English. And it's covered the topics like fundamentals of digital marketing and Google Analytics, and measure the performance of marketing through the analytic, and present the insights, analyze your performance, and grow the customers loyalty with the help of Google Analytics. And you will also learn that digital marketing and analytic are booming and will be hotspot for the marketers. And this course can be learned at your own pace, and no prior experience is required to learn this course. You can learn everything about Google Analytics with this course. And this course is for the beginners level course, is to the advanced digital marketer course, which requires no prior experience about the Google Analytics or anything analytic related to the analytics. Anyone who is busy and wants to self-paced learning, wants to enroll, can enroll yourself in this course. Go and check out the link given. Our next course is a Google Data Analytic Professional Certificate course, and in this course, we will learn in the demand skills which will make you job ready in the 6 months. And this course is developed and uh, inter, instructed by the Google Career Certificates. And no other degree will be required to learn this course. You will understand the practices and process used by the junior or your any data analytic in the day to day work roles. And you understand all the cleaning and organizing the data for the analysis and calculations using by the spreadsheet. So you how you visualize and present the data, finding the dashboards and presentations. And why should you take this course? You must take this course. It would be best if you enroll on its course, because it will help to improve your career trajectory. And this are apparently job opening in the Google Analytics with the medium entry salary levels. And this course will design so anyone you can enroll and learn their own space or their own time. It's a video ready course. In this course is a beginner to advanced digital marketer course, which doesn't require any prior knowledge about any experience. And you just go and check out the link given below and start learning it. So our next one course is a Google Analytics Certification Exam course. Here you will learn and you can enroll. You become the expert with the comprehensive trainings. And this course is available in the English and with the subtitles of many other languages. And after completing this course, you can get the certified certification, which you can add on the LinkedIn and increase your hiring potentials. And this course you will enrolling in this course, you will get the access to the 200 plus practice questions which to prepare all analytic exam, Google Analytic exam. And it have the 200 plus Google Analytic certification questions also are there. And you can learn to get the lifetime access to learn it in the future whenever it's get updated up to date as up to date course. And this course is designed for the people who are very busy and wants to become a certified as fast as they wants to possible. They definitely go for this course. Is a best course for them. And the second, the marketers or freelancers or website owners or agency owners, small agency owners or small website owners who wants to make their websites and worldwide famous and wants to analyze their Google Analytics, their websites, they can definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link. So here's our last course. It's all about the tools of Google Analytics. It's a Google Analytics for the beginner. It's a totally free course which offered by the Simply Learn and is a beginner level course. Here the topics like you will learn SN, SME, introductions and introductions of Google Analytics, navigating interfaces, advanced table floating, multiple goals and goal typing, and tracking people, how you can track them, analyzing the marketing effectiveness. And why should you take this course? This course will you should learn this course because it is a traditional analytic tool in the whole world. And this the job vacancies of the medium level salary are something one can look for while developing your career in the Google Analytics. Can definitely go for this course. And it's totally about the beginner course. This course is for the people who are the beginners who wants to learn about the Google Analytics. And this course is a right stepping stone for them who just starting their career in the Google Analytics and wants to learn its tools. It's the best website. Simply Learn is the best website where you learn all about the Google Analytics. Go and check out the.
So here all the courses are ended, and the links of all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.